Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the integration chapter, and let us see what does our question say. We have to find the integrals of the function sine cube 2x plus 1, that is sine 2x plus 1 raised to the power 3, and we have to integrate it with respect to x. So how do we solve this question? Our goal should be that we somehow try to reduce the degree of this expression. The degree of this expression is currently 3. Try it to reduce as minimum as possible, or sorry, or what you can do, you can try to convert the same expression into algebraic form by some substitution or another thing. So let us see our first step. What we do, we break sine cube into two terms, sine square and sine. What is the purpose of doing this thing? The purpose of doing this thing is that we can write sine square of 2x plus 1 as 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1, and then we can assume cos 2x plus 1 as t. This assumption can be made. They have made the same assumption, cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. And when we make this assumption and try to differentiate it on the both sides, we get sine 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus dt by 2. That is, we eliminate this whole part and we are left with only 1 minus t square and dt. And now this question is of algebraic integration, not trigonometric, and we can easily integrate it. So we will see the integration in the next slide. Moving to the next slide. Okay, so our integration is what did we have in the last thing? Maybe t square. Yeah, so we had t square over there. So t square, the integration of t square will be t cube by 3. So we get finally t cube by 6 here, and we had 1, so we get 1 by 2 over here. Now we get our final answer in the terms of t, but we were given our original expression in the variable x, so we back substituted. We back substitute the value of t. Our t was actually is equal to cos x, so we replace t by cos x, cos 2x plus 1, sorry, not cos x, cos 2x plus 1. Let me erase it and write it again. Yes, so it was cos 2x plus 1, and we get our final integration as cos 2x plus 1 raised to the power 3 by 6 minus cos 2x plus 1 divided by 2 plus c, which is an arbitrary constant. So I hope you all understood it, and thank you. Have a nice day.